Hey guys, welcome to Master Medium. I'm Chalpa and in today's video, I will be talking about a few idioms that can be used to express your happiness. But before we begin this, first let's get to know what idioms are. Idioms are expressions that help us to describe a situation in a creative and a different manner. The use of idioms amplifies the speaker's message in such a way that it can draw the attention of the speaker or the listener. This will benefit you both in your speaking as well as your writing. And you'll be surprised to know that there are more than 25,000 idiomatic expressions to the English language. Now let's go on to talk about the idioms that can be used to express joy. On accomplishing something big in life or on receiving a compliment for something that we've done, we feel elevated and a deep sense of pride rises within us. On such occasions, you can express yourself by saying, "I'm walking on air." Obviously, happiness cannot be quantified, but nevertheless, if your happiness is more boundless, you can say, "I feel like I'm floating on cloud 9. And furthermore, if your happiness has broken all planetary barriers, you can say, "I'm over the moon." And still, if you feel that your happiness is out of this realm, you can say, "I'm in 7th heaven." For example, since they are married, they are in 7th heaven. He was over the moon when he got promoted. He was on cloud 9 after winning the football trophy. On being complimented for his efforts, he was walking on air. Expectedly or unexpectedly, we often experience pleasant moments in our day-to-day lives. In such situations, you can say, "That made my day." For example, you can say, "That morning cup of coffee really made my day." "Receiving flowers from her made my day." "A hug from my dad made my day." "Myriad birthday wishes made my day." When we are enjoying ourselves and having a really good time, you can say, "I'm having a whale of a time." The birthday party was packed with a lot of entertainment and the children sure had a whale of a time. Me and my friends had a whale of a time at the movie. When you look at something or someone with great enjoyment, you can say, "Feast your eyes." They walked through the valley, feasting their eyes on the beautiful mountains. The visitors feasted their eyes on the Roman architecture. At the exhibition, I feasted my eyes on this really exquisite painting. When you're eagerly and happily looking forward to something, you can say, "With bells on." For example, the Americans await Christmas with bells on. With bells on, I was waiting for my cousin to arrive. The students were looking forward to their graduation ceremony with bells on. It so happens that at times we are not just happy, but we are full of energy. That is when you can say, "Joys of spring." For example, a wedding celebration is indeed full of joys of spring. "I've just won a lottery and I'm full of joys of spring." Giving a personal example here, making videos for my beloved audience gives me joys of spring. When you want to celebrate an achievement and really party hard, you can say, "Paint the town red." For example, on cracking my dream interview, I painted the town red. During our reunion, we painted the town red. I'm awaiting the World Cup finale and I'm going to paint the town red if India wins the match. I hope you really enjoyed these idioms and during all your happy moments, do use them. Watching our videos will definitely make your day and also bring joys of spring into your life. So do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.